Hello students, so today we have in this video we have next topic of permanent tissues, that is complex permanent tissue. So the complex permanent tissue is made up of different types of cells, and what is the function of that? They perform a सेम फंक्शन बाय कोऑर्डिनेटिंग ऑल दी सेल्स. वो सभी सेल्स जो है इसे कोऑर्डिनेट करके सेम फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं. इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू द टू पार्ट्स, दैट इज जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम. So what is the xylem? So xylem, it consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Means these are the four elements of xylem which makes their function to perform. Okay, now after that the walls of these cells are the very thick, and the function of this that it transports water and minerals. ये क्या करता है? Water and minerals को transport करता है from the roots to the all the parts of the plant. Okay, now next we have phloem. What is the function of the phloem and what is phloem? So phloem has four types of elements, that is sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Okay, now what is the function of the phloem? So phloem transports food, and from which part to which part? So it transports it transports food from the leaves to the roots, because leaves has the potential to perform photosynthesis, and because they perform a photosynthesis, they prepare their own food. So that's why they transport their food from leaves to the roots. Then next we have the animal tissue. So is animal tissue is divided as epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nerve tissue. Animal tissue which is found in the animals only. So we have four parts of it only. First we will see the connective tissue. Okay, so first we have epithelial tissue. It is a protective covering forming a continuous sheet. Simple epithelium is the one which is extremely there in one layer. Means it is a covering and protecting layer. It is the first layer or outer layer of the tissue or of an organism, which is very thin in one layer only. And satisfied epithelium means they are arranged in a layers, in a pattern of layers. Okay, now it is depending on the shape and the function, and they are classified as. ओके, सो चार टाइप्स में क्लासिफाइड. इसमें पहले आता है स्क्वेमस एपिथेलियम. सो स्क्वेमस एपिथेलियम इज द फाउंड इन द लाइनिंग ऑफ द माउथ एंड इसोफेगस या मीन्स फूड पाइप इज नॉन एज. सो इट इज़ फाउंड इन द माउथ एंड इसोफेगस. Second we have cuboidal epithelium. So it is found in the lining of kidney tubules and salivary glands. Okay, salivary glands is found in the mouth only. And the next is columnar epithelium. It is found in the intestine. Columnar epithelium with cilia in the lining of respiratory tract. Cilia means we have a hair-like structure we have, which helps to transport the food material. To transport, or we can say to make movement of that materials, which is maybe liquid or maybe solid. Next we have glandular epithelium. It is found in the glands, aids in a special functions as gland cells. It is which is can secrete at the epithelial surface. Means epithelial surface means area which is epithelial, where epithelial glands are the found, that is known as epithelium surface, and it is found in the gland cells secreted by the epithelium surfaces. Okay, now next we have connective tissue. So in connective tissue, first we have blood. Connective tissue means a tissue which connects whole body to one part to another. So first we have blood. The blood is a fluid connective tissue. It is a liquid. Blood has blood plasma, has RBCs, WBCs and platelets. So RBCs are the red blood cells which helps to increase the blood, or we can say hemoglobin. Then in WBC is a disease fighter. Means if any bacteria or any disease enter in our body, at that time only WBC activate in our body, and it will fight to the disease only, and at that time only the disease will be finished. Okay, then last we have platelets. Platelets is in our body. Platelets is in higher counting, like in another level of counting we have, like in lakhs. If something is wrong, like a disease we have, or some bacteria will enter on body, or virus is entered in our body, so the platelets will be, the countdown will be breaking down. It will come down only. It will become very low, like we have lakhs, or it will be comes in thousands. Then the death rate of a person will be the increase. So yeah, for our blood. So in blood, these all three or four components are be there. And in plasma, in blood plasma, we have proteins and hormones and digested food also it contains. So yeah, again I am repeating that RBCs are the blood content will help in increase the hemoglobin. And WBCs are the disease fighter. Disease fighter means they fight with the bacteria which enters our body or virus which enters our body. And platelets are the most important part for the blood to be increase the birth rate or to increase the life rate of a person. Next we have bones. The bone is a connective tissue. It is a connective and solid tissue. It is made up of matrix because it is a very solid, composed of calcium and phosphorus. The bone is composed of calcium and phosphorus. So it is one bone is connected to the other bone. That connective tissue is known as ligament. By which connective tissue bone is connected to another bone? That is ligament. Then a bone is connected to a muscle, that is known as tendon. That connective tissue is known as tendon, which connect one bone to the another muscle, that is known as tendon. Next we have here cartilage. The cartilage is the connective tissue with the solid matrix composed of proteins and sugars. So cartilage is composed of proteins and sugars. It is commonly seen in nose, ear, trachea and larynx. Trachea is what? Trachea is known as our food pipe, and the larynx is a joint of, or we can say a junction of our mouth and the food pipe. Okay, next we have areolar connective tissue. It is a foot between the skin and muscles. Areolar connective tissue will be found in the skin and muscles between them around the blood vessels. It supports internal organs and aids in repair of tissues. It repairs tissues and it supports the internal organs whatever we have. And last is adipose connective tissue. It is filled with fat globules for the storage of fat. It is act as insulator. So see, in our body the food will be the stored in the form of insulation. So according to adipose connective tissue is filled with the fat globules, globules like a balloon like structures when we fill the air inside it. So till in this video we will do till now only. Next topics we will do in next video. Thank you.